and change her last name. It
No possibility that can be his baby. That is my baby.
All I
He
can
is
see
all.
when I look at her, though, is
He's
him.
so with indicating that your ex was told he probably never have children because of the medications. Does your ex have any children?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So the stakes are very high here. They're very high because Mr. Hoover, you said from the beginning you didn't want to follow through with Ms. Armour.
Set it in a clay dish joined by a consomme broth. Wrap the whole thing in an ancient traditional